Hello and welcome to an introductory video about Amazon Pinpoint. My name is Pavlos Ioannou-Katidis and I'm a specialist solution architect focusing on Amazon Pinpoint and Amazon Simple Email Service. Amazon Pinpoint is a flexible, scalable marketing communication service that connects you with customers over 6 different channels including email, SMS and voice. In today's video, you will learn 4 of the common use cases Pinpoint can add value to, its key capabilities and how to get started. Let's start with Amazon Pinpoint's 4 common use cases. The first one is the consolidation of customer communications under one platform. Some businesses might have one vendor per communication channel, which increases technical complexity and fragments the customer engagement data. With Amazon Pinpoint, you have one user interface and one set of API operations to send messages, schedule communications, manage resources, and analyze customers' engagement data. This reduces both technical and commercial complexity. Another use case is sending messages reliably and at scale. This becomes key especially for use cases such as one-time password, sensitive documents, payment confirmations, and appointment reminders. Amazon Pinpoint's email channel supports both shared and dedicated APs, allowing you to reach throughputs of thousands of emails per second, while Pinpoint's SMS channel supports more than 240 countries and territories. The third use case is targeting the right customer with the right message. With Amazon Pinpoint, you can import your customer data and based on your customer's characteristics, create dynamic segments. For example, select all customers who are living in London, United Kingdom. Additionally, Amazon Pinpoint integrates with Amazon Personalize, which is a fully managed machine learning service that uses your data to generate product recommendations. These product recommendations can be added in real time to your SMS, email, and push notification messages. With the use of Amazon SageMaker, AWS's machine learning platform, you can leverage predictive models to create segments. A good example is predicting which customers will churn and accordingly engage with them via channel of their preference. Amazon Pinpoint can also be used as a backend resource that adds communication capabilities to your application. Imagine that you own a human resource management application and you would like to add email campaign capabilities so that your customers can email their employees regarding company updates. In that case, you can utilize Amazon Pinpoint's APIs to import employee data, create segments, and send messages. Now let's have a look at Amazon Pinpoint's key components and how they interact with each other in a logical flow. Starting from left to right, Amazon Pinpoint accepts 2 types of datasets. The first one is customer data, including channel addresses such as email address, mobile number, push notification token, as well as customer characteristics such as the first name or channel of preference. These data points are used to create customer segments or to personalize the message itself. For example, an SMS could start hello brackets first name, and that will be populated with the customer data imported to Amazon Pinpoint. The second type of dataset are events that your customers generate on your mobile or web application. These events can be used for either behavioral analytics, for example, how many unique pages did a customer visit yesterday, but they can also serve as triggers for communications. For example, upon successful registration, send a welcome email. Amazon Pinpoint supports both transactional and promotional messages. For transactional messages, Amazon Pinpoint can integrate with your application using its REST API or its SDK, which is available in 11 programming languages. Note that if your use case includes only transactional messages, you don't need to import your customer data. Instead, you can call Amazon Pinpoint's API and specify the address you want to send a message to. For example, send the purchase confirmation from sales@amazon.com to pavlos@amazon.com. For marketing use cases, you can import your customer data into Amazon Pinpoint and start building segments that you can engage via campaigns or journeys. A customer segment is defined as a group of customers who share the same attribute value. An Amazon Pinpoint campaign is a single-step customer engagement where you get to select a channel, a segment, a message template, and when to send it. Campaigns can be used for ad hoc messages such as promotions, product drops, as well as recurring communications such as newsletters. On the other hand, an Amazon Pinpoint journey is a multi-step customer engagement where you get to use more than one channel at a time, as well as incorporate conditional logic to your communications. For example, you can send an email, check if the recipient has opened it after 1 hour, and if they haven't, then send them an SMS. With Amazon Pinpoint, you can reach your customers via 6 different channels. These are email, SMS, push notifications, voice, which also integrates with AWS's cloud contact center called Amazon Connect, in-app messages, and custom channel. Amazon Pinpoint's custom channel allows you to integrate with third parties via their API. A good example is WhatsApp. Regarding analytics, Amazon Pinpoint captures customer engagement events such as email links clicked, email sent, and SMS delivered. These events are used to monitor your campaigns, journeys, and transactional messages performance via their respective dashboards. Amazon Pinpoint integrates with Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose, which is an extract, transform, and load service, allowing you to stream all Amazon Pinpoint events to a variety of other AWS services, including databases such as Amazon Redshift. This enables you to use an existing business intelligence tool like Amazon QuickSight for further data analysis and visualization. Note that customer engagement data displayed on Amazon Pinpoint console have a 90 days retention period, thus it's recommended to enable data streaming using Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose. Amazon Pinpoint can be operated by non-technical users by the AWS console. It provides an intuitive user interface for segments, message templates, campaigns, and journeys creation, as well as dashboards for performance monitoring. Developers, on the other hand, can benefit from Amazon Pinpoint's API operations for sending transactional messages through their application code, as well as developing marketing automations. Amazon Pinpoint pricing gives you the flexibility to experiment with different channels as you only pay for the messages you send. To get started, visit Amazon Pinpoint's self-paced online workshop by following the link below. This workshop covers basic areas starting from customer data import, segment creation, campaign scheduling, all the way to machine learning product recommendations and common API operations examples. Along with the workshop, it is recommended to visit Amazon Pinpoint resources page where you can find the user guide, developer guide, and API reference documentation. Thank you for watching this video. Visit aws.amazon.com/pinpoint to find more information.